Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For our first exercise, we are going to do a ballet stretch. Now this is a great one for improving your flexibility and your balance. So come on, let's get started. Alright, so to begin, you're going to sit with your legs crossed. You can use a chair or a sofa if you like. And then you're going to place two stuffed animals or pillows in front of you, one on each side. The height of these should be about the same height as your knees. If you don't have any stuffed animals lying around, you can roll up some blankets or some towels, and that will work just fine. Now from here, we want to lean forward. We going to try and reach towards our toes, and you can use your hands for support on those pillows. Hold this position for 3 seconds, and then push into your hands to come back up to the start position. And we're going to repeat that 3 times. So 3, 2, 1. There you go, well done. That was a good stretch. Okay, now we're going to move on to our next exercise. For our next exercise, we're going to be doing some yoga. And this is going to be a cat and a dog. Now this is a great one for releasing some energy and getting those feel-good hormones flowing. So come on, let's get started. So for this exercise, you're going to get on your hands and knees. Now take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, you're going to drop your belly and bring your head down. And then as you breathe in, lift your head up towards the ceiling and round your spine. And you're going to repeat this 5 times. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now we're going to move on to our next exercise. For our next exercise, we're going to do some animal walks. Now this is a fun one, and it's also great for improving your cardiovascular fitness. So come on, let's get started. Now for this exercise, you're going to stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and then you're going to bend your elbows and put your hands behind your head, and you're going to walk in place. You're going to choose to walk forwards or backwards, and you're going to do this for 1 minute. Make sure that you keeping your core tight and your back straight, and you can even add in a little bit of a bounce if you like. 1 minute is a long time, so keep going, keep going. Almost there. Well done. Okay, now we're going to move on to our next exercise. For our next exercise, we're going to be doing some karate chops. Now this is a great one for improving your hand-eye coordination, and also for building up some strength in your arms. So come on, let's get started. To begin, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and then raise both of your hands up in front of you at chest level. Slowly lower one arm at a time towards the ground, and alternate as you go. We're going to do 5 on each side. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now we're going to move on to our next exercise. For our next exercise, we're going to be doing some jumping jacks. Now this is a classic, and it's a great one for improving your cardiovascular fitness. So come on, let's get started. To begin, stand with your feet together and your arms by your side. Now jump with your feet shoulder width apart and raise your arms above your head. Then jump again, bringing your feet back to the start position and lower your arms to your sides. And you're going to repeat this for 1 minute. 1 minute is a long time, so keep going. Almost there. Well done. And remember, if you want to be a superhero, you need to save the world. And the only way you can do that is with exercise and a healthy diet. If you enjoyed our workout, make sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you never miss an awesome workout. Bye.